Hello, today we're going to take a very quick look at the OnePlus 6. This is the brilliant new phone by OnePlus. Apparently it's a glass back. I've got the matte finish. You can't really tell it's glass, it looks quite metallic. It's got a 16 megapixel and 20 megapixel dual camera on the back along with the fingerprint scanner, and there's also the charging and headphone jack on the bottom. Volume rockers on the left, the volume toggles on the right along with the power button, and OnePlus now include a clear case as well as the pre-installed screen protector. I didn't actually realise this came with a case. You can still get the classic OnePlus cases which do look a lot better than the clear case. At the time of review this was running Android 8.1 and it runs it really well. Very familiar interface if you've used OnePlus before. They don't really do too much extra. The new element here though is the notch display. Doesn't bother me at all. You can however hide it. If you click hide you can see it just forms the black bar across the top. I personally like the notch. I don't think it really does anything that it shouldn't do. It just allows the clock to be at the top. Apps that can't use the notch will simply black it out. So here's Asphalt 8, can't use the notch, you just don't even notice it. The speaker is at the bottom and sounds quite tinny, but gameplay overall, as you can see, is absolutely brilliant. This thing is rapid. It's got the Snapdragon 845 processor, and the version on review here has 8 gig of RAM and 128 gig of storage. I'm not a big fan of rear-mounted fingerprint scanners. I do prefer them on the front. But credit where it's due, this is still a rapid fingerprint scanner. You can see it opens up very quickly. And actually OnePlus have gone one better. If you don't want to constantly put your finger around the back, you can use Face Unlock. It scans your face and all you have to do is press the unlock button. It will have a look at your face and open up. So I'm actually stood just behind the camera, that's why it's opening up. And just out of interest, I have tried this with photos as well, just to see if I can trick it. And so far I've not been able to. It won't unlock unless it's my actual face. You'll get an error message. You can either retry or use your PIN or pattern code. Okay, so let's just try a quick test. We've got the OnePlus 6 and the OnePlus 5. I'm not going to tell you which one's which just yet. Let's play a little game. Let's see which one you think looks best. So let me know in the comments below or drop me a tweet. Which one do you think looks best? The one on the left, phone A, or the one on the right, phone B? I found the OnePlus 5 camera to be very good, and I'm really enjoying the OnePlus 6 camera as well. Let's see how they do with Tink the cat. Say hello, Tink the cat. Doesn't look too impressed. Both of these cameras have image stabilization on, and let me know which one you think is stabler. So let's put you out your misery. The one on the left is the OnePlus 6. The one on the right is the OnePlus 5. Do you think there's a big difference? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Really liking the camera on the OnePlus 6. Here's some demo shots. You've got quite a range of options, including the bokeh option. So here's just a standard photo, just taken in standard photo mode. The bokeh option uses both lenses to add a bit of a blurry background, so here's the bokeh version. And I found that works really well, and the photos are coming out much better. So again, here's just standard photo, and if we switch to portrait mode, you can see the background's nice and blurry as if it's a DSLR. Zoom is also very good. We've got a ×2 zoom photo here. It still maintains decent quality. Video quality is also very good. If you're interested in video quality, make sure you subscribe to my channel, as I will be publishing a full demo of the camera with some footage I took while I was in Berlin. I'll also be doing a video demoing the OnePlus 6's slow motion ability, which I found to be much better than the Sony XZ2 Compact because you have far greater control over what you're recording. The 6 has been a brilliant upgrade for me from the 5. The notch doesn't bother me at all, and I'm loving the improvements to the camera. I hope you found this short review useful. If you have, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.